Hello class 6. Let's continue your third chapter, water bodies. Yes class 6. Today's topic is major seas of the world. Okay. First of all, the meaning of sea. A sea is a large body of salt water. But sea is smaller than ocean. You must have heard about inland sea. Inland sea. What is inland sea? An inland sea is a shallow sea. Shallow means not so deep. Okay? That covers central area of continent. Central area of continent. Example, South China Sea and Hudson Bay. Like this, you can see an inland sea is a shallow sea that covers central area of the continent. Okay. Now next one is a marginal sea. A marginal sea is a sea partially enclosed by islands or peninsula. Okay. Example, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Enclosed by islands or peninsula. This area we call what? Peninsula. An area which is surrounded by water on three sides. See, all the three sides. This land is covered by water and one side connected with mainland. This is called what? Peninsula. Here some differences are there between oceans and seas. The oceans are much larger while seas are comparatively smaller. Second one, oceans are major units of the Earth's surface and seas are the minor units. Okay, minor units of the Earth's surface. Third one, the oceans have much greater depth while the seas are comparatively shallow. The oceans intercommunicate freely while seas are partly or completely landlocked. Now, major seas of the world. Yes, Bering Sea is located here. Bering Sea is the northernmost part of Pacific Ocean. Bering Sea is the northernmost part of Pacific Ocean. The Bering Sea is one of the world's most productive fishing grounds, producing huge quantities of king crab, salmon and other varieties of fish. Many species of whales, walrus and millions of seabirds are also found in Bering Sea. Here is Caribbean Sea. Here in Caribbean Sea, the Caribbean contains some of the world's richest marine biodiversity, means sea animals. The term Caribbean comes from the indigenous Carib people who lived in the island before the age of discovery. When this sea was not discovered, before that, indigenous means living in the place where they are from originally, means people basically from this area. Okay, here is North Sea. Okay, here is North Sea. This, look here, the North Sea is the northeastern arm of the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, northeast. This side will be northeast. Neither completely north nor east. This will be northeast side. North Sea is one of the most dangerous sea in the world. It has wild storms and foggy winters. It is known for its productive fisheries, petroleum and natural gas reserves. Here is Black Sea, here, okay. This part is Black Sea, roughly oval in shape. If we see it, roughly oval in shape. The Black Sea lies in the southern eastern part of Europe. Southern eastern part of southern part. This is Europe, okay. Southern eastern part of Europe. It is an inland sea. Several great rivers like Danube, Dnieper, Don, etc. drains into it. Here is Caspian Sea. Okay, here is Caspian Sea. Caspian Sea. This is Caspian Sea. The Caspian Sea is the largest enclosed body of water on earth by area. See, enclosed body of water. Volga and Ural River discharge into the Caspian Sea. Okay, Caspian Sea, Volga and Ural rivers. Next is Aral Sea. See here, this is also inland sea. Here is the name of the sea. Okay, Aral Sea. A quarter of a century ago, the Aral Sea was a big lake. It was a big lake. However, as irrigation needs have forced farmers to drain more and more water from the rivers, then what happened? Feeding the Aral, its volume has decreased. If river water will not flow, finally drained into sea, then the quantity of sea will be decreased. Now what happened? Its volume has decreased by more than 2/3 in the last 25 years. Now what is happening? Do you know? Where fish once swam, camels now what? Wander over the floor of the sea. If sea will be shrinking, then what will happen? The desert area will be increased. They get water from the rivers. If they will not get it, then this will happen. Now next one is Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea, that you everybody know. The location of Arabian Sea is here. This is Arabian Sea. Now location. The Arabian Sea is located in the northwestern part of the Indian Ocean. Northwestern part. This is north part. This will be northwestern part of the Indian Ocean, situated between the Arabian Peninsula. See, Arabian Peninsula and the Indian subcontinent. It is economically very important due to the presence of huge oil fields of Arabia. That's why this name, it is called Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea. Mumbai High, India's major oil field, is located in the Arabian Sea. Here will be the location, here only. Okay. The in this river, one of the most important river of Pakistan and India, okay, flows into it. Into where? Flows into where? Arabian Sea. It has long been an important trade route between India and the West. West means Western countries. Okay. Its chief ports are Aden, Yemen, Karachi and Mumbai. They are important ports. Here is Red Sea. Okay. Red Sea. This area is covered with Red Sea. Okay. Red Sea is long and narrow. See, Red Sea is long and narrow. It was named for the changing color of its water. Normally, the water is blue-green. Sometimes, though, red algae turn the water reddish-brown because of red algae. The Red Sea is one of the world's busiest trade routes. Ships carry passenger and goods between Europe and Asia through the Suez Canal. Here is Dead Sea. The location of Dead Sea is here. Okay, this Dead Sea. Dead Sea is not a sea but a saltwater lake. Dead Sea is 423 meters below sea level, making it Earth's lowest elevation on land. The Dead Sea is the second saltiest water body in the world. Second saltiest is Dead Sea, while saltiest sea is Red Sea. Okay, and it contains 33% as compared to 2 or 3%. Normally, sea water contains 2 or 3% of salt, while in Dead Sea, 33% salt contains in it. Okay. If this sea is saltier, then one good thing is what? We get salt. More salt than other seas. Okay. All the seas, they are given here in the book. In next video, we will be doing map work of oceans and seas of the world. So I request you all to purchase physical map of the world so that we will be doing seas and oceans. Okay. Yes class, you have to do all these exercises in book only and send screenshot to me. Thank you.